Hey all you YouTubers, got another great spinner tutorial. I've got this package here, and it's a shout out to my buddies, Koalaty Goods, if that's how you say it, Koalaty Goods. Thanks guys for sending me your product. Got these for free from Koalaty Goods. See what they've sent me. Holy cow, this is fantastic, with respect. Okay guys, Koalaty Goods. Okay. Koalaty Goods screen protectors and iPhone and Samsung Galaxies. They also do fidget spinners, key rings and keychains, toys, pop vinyls, and it's free shipping too. Koalaty Goods. Go see them on Facebook or Instagram, Koalaty AU. Alright, now let's see what they've given us. Okay, first spinner is this one here. See-through one, different bearings on them, I like that. Yeah, it spins quite nice, a bit noisy though. That one, and obviously comes in an orange as well. They shake quite a bit, but I like the look of them anyway. Okay, and it also comes, we've got a fluoro orange one, and the see-through caps. Well, that one must be a dud. Oops. Maybe the bearings just need to be cleaned. Well, they sent me duplicates. So let's see if this one, it's alright. Yep, it was just a dud. Yep, this one spins alright, but this one doesn't. This one must be a dud. Yeah. Next, we've got this one. Can't believe it. All for free. This one's a weird one. I don't have any of these. This one's like a rubber one. Green and pink. That's pretty cool. Oh, quite like that one. Alright, we got duplicates. Sorry guys. And it was the purple, pink and green. We've got another yellow one. Which is really awesome. And we've got some more of these funny looking ones. See, Aussie companies. Aussies help Aussies out. Yeah, I quite like these ones there. They're rubber, and they really, don't know if you can see that, but they really flex. And they got a tiny little bearing in them. They're really cool, I quite like them. Also gave me a nice yellow one. And I will check if they glow in the dark or not for you. I'm not sure. Oh, this one's a bit weird. There we go. They're so smooth. These ones are smoother than these ones. Okay, what else have they given me? Oh, cool. They're giving me a cute little keyring, keychain, whatever you want to call it. That's it there. I will leave a link if I can to Koalaty Goods, where you can get all these products from. And that's the back. So it's a emoji. And last but not least, they've given me, I think they're earrings. Look. An angry face. That's pretty cool. Yep, 2 angry faces. And 2 loved ones. Let's see if it fits. I'm not going to be wearing these though, because they're more for girls, but I'll show you. And there it is there. Let's zoom in and I'll show you. Can you see it? I don't know if you could have seen it or not, but yeah. That's pretty cool. They've got emojis everything these days. Alright, and once I've got my earring back in, I will spin them all for you. Put the earrings aside. Cool key ring. Those earrings are pretty cool. Okay, that's a dud one. Alright, now let's spin them. Check this out. And I don't have any of those ones. But guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, hit the bell button and tell me what you like and want to see. And thank you. With respect, Koalaty goods. And get all these spinners. And like I said, and more. And key rings. And earrings. From these guys. So guys, thanks for watching. This is LashGo, and stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. I'm out. The link will be down below if I can. See ya. Bye.